Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have an entry from FP Handmade, who's Flechia. Hi hun. And we're gonna open this on up. And see what we've got here. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the bee. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Birthdays are good for you. Statistics show that people who have the most live the longest. Flechia, FP Handmade. Oh, thank you, hun. Paper and twine, FP Handmade. Oh, I love it so much. This is gorgeous. Thank you, hun, for entering. I love it. Okay, love you guys. Please enter if you haven't. Bye-bye.